Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Most people see this question and solve it quickly, and they are making a mistake in this question. So let's first see that what mistake most of people make. Okay, so cancel this 2 by 2 is equal to 2 divide 1. Okay, is equal to, now 2 divide 1 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct because this solution is not following a math rule. The rule is a PEMDAS. Okay. So now let's solve this problem by using the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS means P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponent, M means multiplication, and D means division. Both have equal priority. Okay. A means addition and S means subtraction. Also both have equal priority. Okay. So here is a one division and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, F means flip. So keep these two as it is. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. F means flip. So flip this fraction. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Okay. Multiply 2. Now here is a multiplication, here is multiplication. Both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve from left to right. Okay. So 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 multiply 2. Now 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So the correct answer is 8. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.